want one of these brand new bikes, the only way you're going to be guaranteed to get one this next calendar year is by having your name on one. They're selling out faster than Triumph can build them, and right now we're going to start looking at fall of 2016 after we get into the new year for delivery if we don't have a deposit with your name on it. The Hinckley Triumphs, the Bloor family's most iconic motorcycles has been the Thruxton 900. We all love the bike. It's a fabulous looking bike. It's a fabulous performing bike. We've got an all-new Thruxton coming for 2016. It's got that 1200cc motor. It's got the 6-speed transmission. And if you go ahead and splurge for the R version, we got Showa big piston forks. We got Brembo brakes. We got Öhlins rear suspension. It's a gorgeous motorcycle. I didn't tell my wife yet, but I already put my name on one. You guys should too, all right? Let's give it up for the Thruxton R. We're safer with ABS and traction control, and somehow we've kept the price of these bikes truly affordable. Every new motor in all these new bikes we're going to unveil for you guys tonight now has 10,000 mile service. For the first time in one of these parallel twins, a 6-speed transmission. Woo! These bikes are absolutely off the hook. Nice. Let's give it up and check out these new T120s.
Give it up!
Yeah! It's so hot. I want it now in my life. All right, last thing before we let you guys sit on these bikes and have a good time. Yeah. Yeah! Good or what? So beautiful. All right, you guys, everybody check out the bikes, have a good time. Please, don't forget about the food trucks out back. Grab a bite to eat. We got music coming to you guys real soon with Season of Strangers. Have a good time. Wow. How much I appreciate it, how much my crew appreciates it. With you guys, we've become #1 in Washington again and a top 10. And we really appreciate it, and we hope we can continue to earn your business and your friendship going forward. For 2016, we got track days, we got adventure rides, we got road rides, we got crazy stuff, you know, building bikes, the whole kit and caboodle. But right now it's all about Triumph motorcycles. We got a lot of brand new bikes to unveil to you guys, and hopefully you're ready to see them.
Don't breathe.